Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save Filmora files or videos as MP4 format. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will be needing first like to open your project, and you can do it like just by going to File, and here you can go to New Project, and you can create a new project and add your project. That means like your video editings and all that stuff. Otherwise, you can just open an existing project, so we can start like importing as MP4 or exporting as an MP4. Now, all you will need to do after you finish all your editing, you will be needing like just to go to exporting. So here you will find create a video, export to device, etc. Now by clicking on export to device, you will find all these options. So you will have a preset, like you can either have custom or you can simply go to settings, and from here you can choose the device. So either you can use like a smart TV, PlayStation, etc., iPhone, etc. And in my case, I'm just going to click on local, and I want here to have my preset to be matching to project settings. And from here, you will find the format. So basically for the format, you will find many format that you can choose. Either you can have like a GoPro Cineform, an MOV, AVI, like HEVC, and also the MP4. So basically you choose MP4, you choose the quality that you would like. So either a higher quality, a lower quality, recommended, or whatever. You can add a compression if you'd like, but this will reduce the quality of the video. And at the end, you will be needing just like to click on export, and it will be saved here. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.